heavily on recipes and precise measurements. Pierre's approach is unique and deeply personal. He's all about instinct and feeling. Every movement, every decision in the kitchen is guided by an almost intuitive understanding of flavors and textures. He adds a pinch of this, a dash of that, always knowing exactly what the dish needs without ever consulting a recipe. No measuring cups for this maestro. His hands are his tools and his senses are his guide. He's constantly tasting, adjusting and trusting his gut. It's a dance of flavors, a symphony of tastes that he orchestrates with precision. It's like watching an artist paint a masterpiece. Each dish is a canvas and Pierre's ingredients are his palette. He's using his hands to knead the dough, feel the heat of the oven and ensure everything is just right. There's a connection between him and the food that is almost palpable. It's as if he breathes life into every ingredient. You can taste the love in every bite. His passion and dedication are evident in the flavors that burst forth with every mouthful. His dishes are familiar yet surprising, offering a new twist on classic flavors that delight and intrigue the palate. They are a testament to years of dedication and passion. Each award, each accolade, is a recognition of his relentless pursuit of culinary excellence. This is what real cooking is all about. It's not just about following recipes, it's about creating something extraordinary with heart and soul. The judges are ready.
The anticipation is killing me.
Both chefs have presented their dishes.
They are absolutely stunning.
Chef Bot's plates are works of art. The flavors are bold and unexpected.
But Chef Pierre's food, it's something else. It's soul-stirring.
The judges are speechless. They savor every bite, their eyes closed in pure bliss. The verdict is in.
And the winner is...
Chef Pierre!
The crowd goes wild. The human chef has triumphed. It's a victory for passion over precision, for heart over algorithms. So what does this mean for the future of cooking? Is Chef Bot destined for the scrap heap? Not at all. AI has a place in the kitchen. It can help us streamline tasks. It can provide inspiration. It can even help us reduce food waste. But it can never replace the human touch. Cooking is about more than just following a recipe. It's about creativity, passion, and connection. It's about pouring your heart and soul into every dish. Tonight we witnessed a clash of titans. We saw the incredible capabilities of AI, but we also saw the enduring power of the human spirit. In the end, it's the perfect blend of technology and humanity that creates truly great food. That's a recipe for success that will never go out of style. Now, let's get on with the after party. I've got my eye on that croquembouche.